In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy checklist in Microsoft Planner. If you regularly create similar tasks in Planner, copying a task with its checklist can save you a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding the same checklist item by item, you can duplicate the task and use it as a starting point for a new one. This is especially helpful for recurring workflows, repeatable projects, or any process that follows the same structure. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and locate the task that already contains the checklist you want to reuse. Once you find it, click on that task to open its details. This is the task that will act as your template, so make sure it includes the checklist items you want copied over. After the task opens, look for the three-dot menu, usually found in the Task Options area. Click those three dots to open More Actions. This menu contains additional settings and task management options that are not shown in the main view. From that menu, click on Copy Task. This tells Planner that you want to create a duplicate of the current task. When you do this, Planner prepares a new version based on the original, which is what allows you to carry over the checklist without recreating it manually. Next, you'll be asked to enter a new task name. Type in the name you want for the copied task. Choose something clear and specific, so it's easy to tell the new task apart from the original. This is a good time to use a naming style that matches your team's workflow, especially if you're creating multiple similar tasks. Once the new task name is entered, click on Copy. Planner will then create the duplicate task for you. After that, you can open the new task and confirm that the checklist has been carried over as expected. And that's it. By copying the original task, you can quickly reuse an existing checklist in Microsoft Planner without having to start from scratch. This simple method helps keep your work consistent, reduces manual effort, and makes repeated task setup much faster. If you plan to use this often, a helpful habit is to keep one well-organized task as your base version. So whenever you need the same checklist again, you can copy it in just a few clicks. That's the easiest way to copy a checklist in Microsoft Planner.